You're about to waste $200 on a wet-dry vacuum that leaks, clogs, or dies in 3 months. I bought 5 of the most popular 2026 models. Tested water pickup, dust, fine debris, and one hidden failure no one talks about. All product links are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe before I reveal the one that shocked me. Let's begin. Starting at number 1. Tineco Floor 1S7 Stretch Ultra Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Best overall. The Tineco S7 Ultra Stretch excels at cleaning unseen dirt and debris with its auto dirt detect technology and dual-edge cleaning. It can lie flat to reach under hard-to-reach areas and boasts a self-cleaning system that uses hot water and hot air, leaving the brush roll pristine in just 5 minutes. Tineco leads the way when it comes to the best mop vacs. The feature that Tineco pioneered early on in its floor care and continues to prioritize in its models today is the Dirt Detect technology, which enables the vacuum to recognize dirt and stains and automatically increase suction and mopping power to clean the floor. Not only does the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra feature Dirt Detect technology, but it also boasts superb dual-edge cleaning technology and an anti-tangle brush roll that is consistently rinsed to deliver clean water. We were impressed by the Auto, Max, and Suction for liquid spills modes, as well as how well the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra cleaned all kinds of small and large, dry or wet messes, typically in a single pass. My favorite update to the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra has to be the self-cleaning system. Number 2. Narwal S30 Pro. Runner-up. With 5 cleaning modes and great front and edge cleaning, the Narwal S30 Pro can clean any mess in nearly a single pass. Its self-cleaning system is also unmatched and limits interaction with mess. The Narwal S30 Pro has the easiest, most hands-off self-cleaning system that makes maintenance a breeze. One of my early gripes with wet-dry vacuums is that after cleaning your floors, you had to dedicate time to cleaning out the machine, which oftentimes meant interacting with some icky debris. The S30 Pro offers hot water self-cleaning and hot air drying, plus innovative features like a waste separation bag and built-in scissors that cut off any hair that wraps. It also has the ability to lie flat and boasts an auto detergent dispenser. The S30 Pro came very close to being our overall pick. There were small nitpicky things that prevented it from being chosen, like the AI smart function not reading a very dirty area near my back door, and I didn't notice any difference in the water output between AI smart mode and wood floor mode. Number 3. Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner Wet Dry Vacuum. Best budget. The multitasking Bissell CrossWave OmniForce can vacuum and mop simultaneously or vacuum only for dry messes, a distinct feature from other CrossWave models. It features increased suction power, up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning, and separate clean and dirty water tanks. The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce is one of the most affordable options we recommend, and it is frequently on sale. This affordable buy is a great option for pet owners, considering the tangle-free brush roll does a fantastic job of grabbing pet hair. You can use it on any type of surface, whether as a wet-dry vacuum or a vacuum, which is a rare feature in most wet-dry vacuums. Essentially, you can ensure your rugs and hard floors remain clean and odor-free with the Bissell. It is easy to maneuver around the house. It fits under cabinets, too, despite not being able to lie flat and operating with a bit of noise. I love that it notifies you with a noise and flashing symbol on the LCD screen when you need to empty the dirty water tank, refill the clean water tank, or charge it. I was able to clean my entire home before the 30-minute battery life expired, although the water tank had to be refilled twice at the 14 and 28-minute marks. Number 4. Tineco Floor 1S9 Artist Pro Wet Dry Vacuum. Best for large homes. Beyond its futuristic design, the Tineco Floor 1S9 Artist Pro Wet Dry Vacuum is designed for individuals with larger homes or who require an extended battery life. It also has rapid recharging capabilities and a quick self-cleaning and drying system. I was blown away by the Tineco Floor 1S9 Artist Pro Wet Dry Vacuum's long battery life, quick recharging, and flash drying system. The design, inspired by the Aurora Borealis, makes it a standout among wet-dry vacuums, thanks to its aesthetics alone. If you're willing to splurge or have a large home that requires extended cleaning sessions, the S9 is worth every penny. The S9 lasted an impressive 58 minutes on auto mode, which is about twice as long as most wet-dry vacuums. It even recharges faster than most in only 3 hours. The larger water tank also ensured I didn't have to refill the clean water tank until the 37-minute mark or empty the dirty water tank until I cleaned for 47 minutes. This wet-dry vacuum maximizes the clean water tank efficiently, and trust me when I say that it does a fantastic job at pulling up unseen dirt, debris, spills, and stains with its dirt-detecting capabilities. Whenever I emptied the dirty water tank, there was always a thick amount of sludge at the bottom, indicating that nothing was left unseen on my floors. Number 5. Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro Robot Vacuum. Best Robot. The Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro packs a cleaning punch, vacuuming and mopping with a ferocity few robots can muster. And it does so at a reasonable price. For hand-free cleaning, I recommend splurging on a do-it-all device that requires minimal maintenance on your part, like the Best Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro not only automatically vacuum and mops, but can clean and dry the mopping pads so you only need to check in on the vacuum periodically. It's an excellent scrubber, uses a single mopping pad that shifts back and forth, using pressure to scrub up spills and stains. It was also very thorough at spot cleaning, spinning as needed to approach the mess at all angles. As a vacuum, it's also top-notch, having no problem picking up crushed cereal to flour, offering some of the best corner cleaning our tester had seen. The process is very automatic, with technologies that detect the floor type and how much dirt is present to adjust suction and mopping pressure accordingly. While some other vacuums let you tinker with settings to adjust water flow or pressure, the Shark PowerDetect aims to streamline the settings, especially when the amount of customization can start to feel overwhelming. That number 1 vacuum handled wet concrete dust and a gallon of soapy water without flinching. The number 5? It sparked. Seriously. Links for every model are waiting in the description. If this saved you from a bad buy, hit like, share it with someone who owns a shop or a messy house, and subscribe so you never trust fake reviews again. See you in the next test.